What is up, everybody? We got a new surprise for the Daily SI. That is Hondata FlashPro Mini. Yep, I did it. I got FlashPro. Loaded it all up. I don't know if you can see it down there, but she's plugged in. Nice small box. I have the old version in my 06 race car, and it is the big one. So I'm so glad that they made this nice little thing. It's pretty cool. We now have air fuel gauge. 14.5, 14.6. Very cool. We also have, you hold the clutch down and the cancel. There's your launch controller. Very cool as well. And we brought the VTEC down to 4,300 RPM for the first stage, and then 5,800 I think it is for the second stage, and we rev now to 8,600 RPM. So it's just the basic base map tune from them, and if I ever add on any more car parts, you can always modify it there. So right now we're going to go take a test drive, get some ice cream for the family, and see how she does. So let's get to it. Oh yeah, rev hang is gone too. That's right, got rid of the rev hang. Oh, there it is. Oh! Alright, I don't want to go too crazy over here because there's some cops, but I felt the 4,300. Oh, that was cool. And I felt the 5,600 too. That was awesome. It works. That's so cool. Alright, the ice cream shop is back over there, so let me flip a Yui. This is not a UE position, so that's alright. There we go. Let's flip around in this neighborhood here. Hopefully this yeah, okay, cool. Oh man, that was awesome. That rev hang is gone too. Look at this. Just boom, right down. That's a daily life improvement that is worth FlashPro in the first place. That rev hang, oh my gosh, feels like a normal car. That 2 stages is so cool. It doesn't have that 6,000 RPM. Oh, there's the Cobb, of course. Oh, there goes our fun. Well, at least I got a little bit on it. Maybe I can get to 40 with this. Okay, yeah, there you go. That's it. Let's get to 5th gear, though. Man, cops. You gotta love them, though, right? Gotta love them. Ice cream shop is right over here. Alright, I'm going to take the camera down. Alright, we got the goods. Let's head on back. See if we can hit some early VTEC now. It's that radar detector again. It was bugging. Oh, getting rid of that rev hang. That I gotta say, that's like probably the best part because I use it all the time. Oh, that just makes me so happy. Oh, that rev hang. What a difference. For drivability, it's just so much better. Why does Honda even have that in there? I guess so. Is it easier to drive with the rev hang? I guess. Yeah, I guess. You know, because if you're not very good at it, you don't have to rev match. It is rev matching for you. Oh, and the throttle response is so much better too. Like, I feel like I have like a pedal. Like, boop, look at that. Let's see if we can get one more little VTEC in. Oh, that's great. Alright, it's 35 here. We gotta go slower. There we go. Cool. Alright guys, well, that's new with the daily. Got FlashPro on it now. I guess we'll see you on the next video, y'all. Peace.